Welcome, subscribe if you're new. Hello guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with this classic eyeshadow primer. Just using my finger, I'm applying it all over my eyelid to form a base for the eyeshadow I'm going to apply. Just use your finger and blend it. From this palette, I'm going to take this color and apply it as the transition color for this look. Using this eyeshadow brush, just applying it and blending it in, putting it on both of my eyes. Blend it and build it up to the intensity you want. So reaching into this palette, I'm taking this color that is close to the first color I applied as a transition color, just building up on what I've applied initially. You want to take your time to do this. Just build up on it. It's optional anyway, but I just felt like doing it. Moving into this color, this dark brown color, with this small blending brush, I'm taking it and applying it in my crease. This is the color I'm using as the crease color. Just working it in circular motions and concentrating in the crease. And just building up on it. I'm moving in circular motions, holding the brush very lightly, just so it blends into the transition color I applied without leaving any harsh lines. So I'm taking this jumbo pencil, this metallic jumbo pencil, and applying it on my eyelid using my finger. This is going to form the base for the eyelid color I'm going to apply. Just tap it on, tap it on. So I'm taking this shimmery gold color with this flat brush and tapping it on my eyelid. As you can see, it's sitting on the base very nicely and popping. It's a metallic gold color. Just tap it. Tap, 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 tap. Tap again. Then using the same eyeshadow brush I used for the crease, I'm taking the same color and just cleaning it out, blending in, and then cleaning all the harsh lines that were left when I tapped the eyelid color on. This helps everything to blend in smoothly. So I'm going to apply these Magpie Eyelashes. I love these lashes because they are very natural looking and very soft. And with this mascara, I'm going to apply it on my natural lashes and work it up into the false lashes I've applied. This helps it to blend in without leaving any demarcations, if you like. So with the Maybelline Colossal pencil, I'm going to line my eyes. I'm looking down so that I will do this without smudging it. So moving to the face, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Using my fingers, I'm working it in, just applying it on the areas where I normally sweat on my face. The primer just helps your foundation to sit on nicely and blend in. The Maybelline Fitme foundation is what I've used. I just added a little of classic foundation to it, just to give it an orange undertone. Then with this eyeshadow brush, I'm blending everything in. Extend it to my neck. The neck is the extension of the face, so always do to your neck what you're doing to your face, at least in terms of your foundation application. So to highlight my face, I'm going to use this Elegel Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Just applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Guys, I have a detailed video on how to highlight and contour your face, so I'm linking it here for those of you who have not seen it. I'm taking my setting spray to moisten this beauty blend that I'm using to blend out the concealer. This concealer is very light, so it's easy to blend. I'm taking my time to blend it. It's important to take your time to blend your concealer so as to achieve a natural looking finish. Always take your time, guys, don't be in a hurry. So with the Black Opal Stick Foundation in Hazelnut, I'm going to contour my face. Just applying it on my jawline. Then with the beauty blender, I'm blending it again. Just blending everything in. Guys, blending is very important in order to achieve the results you want to see at the end. It's important to take your time to blend everything. You don't want to come off looking like a mat. So to set my highlight, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. With this brush, just applying it on my face. This trick works for me, guys. The bridge of my nose is flat, yes. So I use a flat brush and take the stick foundation I used to contour to apply by the sides of the bridge of my nose, if that makes sense. And this helps me to achieve the result I want. Next, I'm taking the Zaron bronzer to set my contour. Just applying it all over where I put the Hazelnut stick foundation. Now with this fluffy brush, I'm dusting off the setting powder. Dusting it, just dusting it. Just dusting everything off. Taking my time to dust it off. So into the Maybelline All-in-one powder, I'm taking to set my entire face. Just applying it over and over to achieve the finish I want. So from this Becca highlighter, I'm going to highlight my face using this fan brush. I'm just putting it on my cheeks. Bit by bit, I'm building up on it. Guys, I film with natural light, so the light keeps changing. Please ignore it. On the bridge of my nose. My Cupid's bow. And then I like to apply it on my forehead as well, just a little. So next is the Maybelline Eyeliner in the shade Red 50. This pencil is not pigmented, so I have to take my time to apply it over and over and then blend it into my lips to see the color show. I'm lining my upper lips. Just taking my time to apply it over and over. So I'm reaching from the naked lipstick. I'm applying it all over my lips. This is in the shade Glamour color 2. Smack, smack, smack. Smack your lips. Apply again. This is a pepper red lipstick for the pepper them gang queens. Smack your lips. If you're not satisfied, apply again. Yes. Thanks guys, bye.